please inform to all student, everybody log into the college ID. Screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
On my end it
Yes,
is
ma'am. Yes,
visible.
ma'am.
Yes, okay. Please give me feedback immediately if I ask the question. You are if anybody have the doubt, then also please inform me immediately. Either by typing in chat box or by unmute yourself. Today we are going to start our first unit, that is your total discrete mathematics units. And I am expecting you have the basic knowledge of the first unit, that I will show you the syllabus first. I assume all of you have the basic knowledge of this unit. Am I right? Vivek?
Which unit, ma'am?
First unit, set theory, proposition logic, predicate logic, relation, one-to-one function, on-to function, bijection function, direct proof, proof by contradiction, proof by contrapositive, and principle of mathematical induction and recursive definition. This is your first unit, and I am expecting already discrete mathematics is over. I don't know in which semester you study that subject, but this is the portion of this unit is belong to the discrete mathematics. But why I cover here, why they mention in the syllabus, because the some basic concept that we use in our TEFL. Okay, so that's why now I am going to start our first topic. That is, please everybody note whatever I write on the screen. Kalin Rathod is your class member. Vivek, am I audible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Kalin Rathod is your class member or not?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then why this many students join outside the class? I don't know who shared the link. Okay, anyway, our topic is set theory. Today we are going to study the sets. What is the definition of sets? Please tell me. Hiren and Jay Ramani, unmute yourself fast or type in chat box fast. Anybody have the idea what is the sets? What is the definition of sets?
Ma'am, collection of well-defined distinct object.
Yes, exactly. A set is a well-defined unordered collection of distinct element. In the set, order doesn't matter. Means order of element doesn't matter. It can be anything. Means that's why I say it is unordered. But the element should be unique. The distinct element. In a set, the element should be unique. Order doesn't matter. For example, I take a set A, I can write 1, 5, 4, 3. This is a set, but it is unordered. It is unordered, but that no issue. Element are unique. It satisfy the definition of the sets, and it is also a set. Or set can be कौन है ये? कुशरिया देसाई कौन है ये? Okay, so it can be anything. One, if your set is start from 1 to up to infinity, it is also a set. And a set of even number, it is also set. Set of odd number, it is also a set. And you can say that set of all students in class, it is also a set. So this is the definition, and hope so you get the idea what is set. Okay, so what is null set?
Which
What
have
is
zero
null
element.
which have zero element? That's good. Set with no element is called null set. That is denoted by phi or empty set. Please don't get confused. This is a null set. This is not a null set. This is not null set because it have one element, that is phi. So this is not similar to these two. Please don't get confused. Phi and empty set are the different thing, and this is the different thing. So don't get confused. Null set means either phi or empty set. Okay, next is subset. What is subset? Anybody have idea? Okay, the definition of subset is if every element of A is also in B. A is any set and B is another set. A is if every element of A is also in B, or also an element of B, then A is a subset of B. Okay, don't get confused. Little bit I explain with the example. I will give you example. So A is a set that have one or two element, and B is another set that have three element. Means whatever present in the A, all the element are present in B also. Okay, so now study if every element of A is also in B, or is also an element of B, then A is a subset of B. The representation of this is A is subset of B. This is the representation of subset. And one more term is came in picture, that is proper subset. Proper subset is nothing else, it is represented by this. Means proper subset is strictly smaller than original set. Strictly smaller than original set is known as proper subset. Like I say A is a proper subset of B. Okay, so don't get confused. One important note you can note here: for every set A. Okay, what do you understand by the trivial set? What you understand by the trivial set? Either you type in chat box, or you can unmute yourself. Guys, replies fast. Rohan Kumar is your group class member?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So for every set A and phi are called trivial subset of A. A is my set. Okay. A is means A means subset, set itself. Set itself means for every set, a set itself or phi are called the trivial subset. Please keep in mind. This is the important point. Okay, so what you understand by the proper subset? And what is the definition of proper subset? Empty set, Aryan Gupta, right? For the trivial set, it is right answer. Okay, So what is the definition of proper subset? Okay, any subset of A which is not trivial, subset is called Dhurvik Chauhan. Is your class member?
No, ma'am.
These many guys don't know why they request.
Maybe these
Oh.
are the other students,
What?
like TC1 or TC2.
Okay. It's called proper subset of A. The definition of proper subset is that any subset of A which is not trivial. Trivial means a set itself or 5 set are the trivial subset, except these subset, the remaining sets are come under the category of proper subset. Means if I take example, A have one element and B have 1, 2 element. Dhurvik Chauhan. Don't know why this much disturbance. Okay, then A is a proper subset of B. Okay, so this is the basic idea. One thing you note here, that is if A is a subset of B, or you can say that the every element of A means every element of B is present in A, or B is a subset of A, then you can conclude A equal to B. Means whatever present, by this, every element of A present in B, every element of B present in A, means every element of A, whatever element present in A, the all element present in B, or whatever element present in A, the all element present in A, then we can conclude A equal to B.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Okay. Proper subset.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any element, what is proper subset? Definition of proper subset is that any subset of A is a set. A is a set, for example, which is not trivial. Trivial subset means set itself or phi. These two are the trivial subset. Means the is any subset of A which is not a trivial subset is called proper subset. Or you can say that if I give simple definition, proper subset is strictly smaller than the original set. Strictly smaller than the original set, that is known as the proper subset. Okay, so don't get confused. I will give you more examples so you get the clear picture. Okay, so one thing you note here, A is A is subset of B, or B is subset of A. It means if I put equal with subset, if I put equal, it means it include the its set itself also in a subset, and by looking this definition, you can say the every element of A is present in A. Every element of B present in set A. Whatever element present in A, the all element present in B. If this like this, if I take the example here, 1, 2, 3. B also 1, 2, 3. Then you say whatever present in B, the all element present in A. Whatever present in A, the all element present in B. Then you can say, okay, A equal to B. Now understand? Clear or not clear?
Clear, ma'am. Clear.
Okay, okay. So next concept is power set. What do you understand by the power set? Anybody have idea? Anybody have idea about the power set? Kalin Rathod. Okay, power set is denoted by P of A. Okay, so I will give definition, the standard definition. If A is a set, A is a finite set, then set of all finite subset of A is called power set. Of A. A is any Jackie. Jackie in your class? I think so. No.
No.
These many students try to access today class. Don't know why. What's going wrong? Okay, A is any set. In this, I take two elements A and B. If A is a finite set, then a set of all finite subset of A is called power set of A. Okay, first we identify what is the subset of this set. What is the subset of A? Anybody can tell? Anybody have idea? Okay, someone reply. I think Sagar. Okay, so in this we find कौन अनम्यूट कर रहा था? किसी बच्चे ने अनम्यूट किया था अभी बीच में.
यस मैम, इसके सबसेट होंगे 5
या करेक्ट.
और ए इनसेट बी और ए बी.
Good.
यस.
These are the subset of A. Means 0 length, 1 length, and 2 length. Okay, 0 length, 1 length, and 2 length. Cardinality of 0, cardinality of 1, and cardinality of 2. What do you understand by the cardinality? Okay, no issue. I will tell. Okay, so this is the subset of A. Then power set of A is nothing else, just keep in this bracket, that is phi A B and AB. This is the power set. Then how you calculate the cardinality? The cardinality of a set, like cardinality is represented. Cardinality is nothing else. It is the number of element present in a set. Number of element present in a set. Cardinality of A is nothing else 2. Or cardinality of this. Cardinality of this is cardinality of power set is, how many element are there? 4 element. Okay, this is the cardinality, means the number of element present in a set. In today class, something going wrong. This link is shared by a lot of students that are not belong to this class, or that are not part of this class, so they are trying to access the class. Okay, so one thing you note here, that is if please note in your notebook, this is important note. If a set contains an element, then means cardinality of A, if I am taking the set A equal to n, Jackie, unmute yourself please, because you are not the member of the class. Jackie, unmute yourself, otherwise I am going to remove you. Stop sharing your screen. Unnecessary come in class and unnecessary. Jackie, stop sharing your screen. My screen is visible, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if a set contains an element, then power the power of set contains, power set contains 2 power n element. Let me give you example here. Let A contains AB. What is the subset of this? What is the power set of this? Power set of this is phi A B and AB. And if I take another example, that is there are 3 elements in the set, then what is the power set of B? One is phi, another is A, another is B, C, then AB, BC, AC, AC, and one more is there, that is ABC. Just count. How many element in this? 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Means 4. When I have 2 element, then power set is 4. If I have 3 element, then how many power set are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means 3 element. If I have 3 element, then total element in the power set is 8. If I have 2 element, then total number of element present in the power set is 4. Means if I have 2 element, then I give here the power set contains 2 power 2. 2 element, I get 4, means 2 power 2. Here value of n is 2. Here value of n is 3. That means 8. Okay, so I want to give here the clear picture to you. If I conclude one thing, the number of element in A, then power set, the element present in power set, that is 2 power 2, that is 4. If number of element in a set is 3, then power set, number of element present in power set is 2 power 3, that is 8. If a number of element present in n, then number of element present in power set is 2 power n. This is the conclusion. And one more important conclusion I want to give you. For example, I take a set A, in that there are 3 elements. Why I say 2 power n? Why I say 2 power n? Okay, here as you see, A, B, C, means there are 2 possibility. Either A is present or not present, B present, not present, C present, not present. That means 2 into 2, that is 2 power 3, that is equal to 8. Okay, so if I conclude this, A have 2 possibility, either it is present in the set or it is not present in the set. Okay, B also have 2 possibility, either it is present or not present, present or not present. C also have 2 possibility, either it is present or not present, present, not present, present, not present. Then C also have the possibility present, not present. Okay, if A present, B present, C present, if all of A present, B present, then C present, means ABC is your subset. ABC is your subset. Then if A present, B present, but not C present, here present not, but C not present, then what is your set? AB. If A present, B not present, but C present, then what is your set? AC. If A present but B and C not present, then what is your set? A. If A present, B, if no, A not present, B present, C also present, then what is element? B and C. If A present, if A not present and B present, C also not present, then only B come in picture. Okay, if A not present, B not present, okay, C have 2 possibility, either it is present or not present. It is also, if C is present, then only C is in set. If nothing is present, A is also absent, B is also not present, C is also not present, then 5 came in picture. Let's count their counting is total 8 होना चाहिए आपका. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, that is the number of power set is 2 power n, means there are 3 element, that is 2 power 3, that is total 8. It's up to you how you want to count. ओसामा बिन लादेन, मोहब्बत कोई रंग नहीं. अच्छा, वाजिबा. Let me show you. शायर. Guys, give me 2 minutes. In today class, lot of disturbance and some student come for only disturbance. Just I remove this guy because in my class it is not allowed. Is there any confusion in power set? I take screenshot and I have each and every point record that I will share today chat with management. I don't accept at any cost this kind of nonsense activity going on in the class. Okay. Guys, if you don't understand the concept of power set, please tell me. Okay, next we will discuss complement and difference universal set. What is universal set? What do you understand by the universal set? In universal set, all elements are present. Set of all objects that we are discussing in ongoing lecture. Okay, then complement and difference. Under universal set, there is one more set that what you understand by the complement of set. Offset. Complement of set is nothing else. If I say A complements except this area, whatever come means outside this is nothing else the complement of A. Means if A set if A set or any set, then complement of A is denoted by either A bar or A complement. It's your choice how you want to represent, or in this you can say that A complement is X does not belong to A. X does not, whatever element you are choosing, that is not belong to this set, but belong to universal set. This is the standard definition of complement. Okay, then what you understand by the difference? Difference means, if I am taking the example, there is a set, B set. Means if A set, A and B are two set, then A minus B is such that X belongs to A X belongs to A but does not belong to B. This is the representation of a difference. Set a difference means this portion. This portion is nothing else, A minus B. Okay, guys. Next is union, intersection, and a symmetrical difference. John Mack. Who is John Mack? No. In today class, lot of disturbance, lot of outsider try to join today class. Okay, so a set intersection. What you understand by the intersection? What you understand by the union? A, B are the two set. Guys, understand or not understand? If you have any doubt, please inform me immediately. Okay, so first I take the union. Just I give the name 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what is the A union B? Pile Singh, in your class? All are sleeping only. A union B means 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 3. This portion. So then intersection. Intersection is nothing else the common area.
But actually, time is over, so we need to attend the next lecture.
Yes. Last 1 minute. Intersection is nothing else. This is this common area that means A. This is A. This is B. A intersection B. Okay, the common element of both sets, that is A intersection B. Okay, so in next lecture, I think next lecture is on Saturday. In that lecture, please you must remember some laws of sets. That is some property, cumulative property, distributive property, idempotent property, De Morgan law, absorption law, and modular laws. Please, everybody must read these laws and these property of the sets and join on Saturday. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Everybody type your enrollment number in chat box fast. किसका जिसका अटेंडेंस नहीं हुआ है वो मुझे बता सकते हैं. आई रिपीट वंस अगेन.
Hello, ma'am.
Just a second.